Picture a medical emergency, a call to a first responder. The first moments of the call could mean the difference between life and death. What's the diagnosis? Is the patient in a critical condition? What if artificial intelligence could support the responder, helping them make the right decisions? That's exactly what's happening here in Denmark. Computer learning means the system instantly sees the bigger picture, drawing on the experience from millions of calls from a global network, allowing it to reach a quick decision.
Computers never forget, they never need coffee, they never get tired. So we imagined that every healthcare professional had this agent, like an assistant, that had a perfect memory that could help them in any important situation to make the best decision possible.
If the system is saving lives today, it's in part thanks to EU funding. The European Parliament wants companies like this to continue driving Europe's digital revolution. In order to nurture and grow similar high-tech startups, MEPs are backing Digital Europe.
Što se iz ovog programa može odraditi na terenu jako puno radionica za naše građane, za poduzetnike, za sve zainteresirane u stvari dionike, kako bolje implementirati digitalnu stvarnost u svakodnevni posao, u svakodnevni život.
The 7.6 billion euro program will help build Europe's strategic digital capacity, making these technologies available to ordinary people and businesses. The program will invest in supercomputing and developing artificial intelligence, as well as ensuring the EU's cybersecurity and digital sovereignty, from healthcare, transport and the environment, to better public administration and vocational training in new technologies. Parliament wants Digital Europe to boost the EU's competitivity, as well as help it reach climate neutrality by 2050.